Q&A time with Mrs. Potvin. Q&A means questions and answers. One of the biggest questions I got last week from comments on your assignment was, how did I get involved in that video? And how was it made? So I got involved, online. I'm a music teacher, so I am part of several different online music teacher groups. Some of them are through Facebook, some of them are through Instagram, and some of them are just, online music teacher groups. And in one of them, the person in charge said, "Hey, I'm looking for music teachers to be part of this project with me." And I thought, well, I'm stuck at home. I might as well try something, right? So I did. And that's how I got involved. I think there were 15 music teachers that said, yes, we'll give it a shot. And aside from the person in charge. So that's how it got started. And then how did we do it? The first thing we needed to do was I had to sing part of the song and send it to him. And he just wanted to make sure that I had a good microphone and that, that I actually could, sing and tune. And then he emailed me back and said, sure. And so then I said, great. And he emailed me my part, and then I listened to it and I sang along and I recorded myself and sent it off. And then this person is an audio engineer, so he uses some programs on computers. And you might have one like this on your own computer. If you have a Mac computer, the program would be GarageBand. That's one that would work. Another one would be called Audacity for a computer that's not a Mac. Maybe it's a PC. There are some free online versions to do it. He uses a professional version, but those would work on your computer to mix different audio tracks. And then he mixed all the different teachers' audio tracks. He recorded himself singing into the microphone and beatboxing and all that. And then we had to video ourselves. So then we video recorded ourselves singing, and he sent that. And then he put it all together in a computer program and did that. So it's on YouTube. I think right now it has 11,000 views on YouTube, and on Facebook it has 53,000 views, for those of you who are view counters. And people that, I don't know how many views it has. There's some other platform. I don't know. So we're doing another one. It'll come out in a few days. Stay tuned. This week we are going to learn a folk song called Turn the Glasses Over. It's called our favorite folk song of the week because it is the only folk song I'm teaching you this week. Now in this song, you're going to hear lots of different places that are mentioned in the song. See if you can remember them all. I've been to Harlem, I've been to Dover, I traveled this wide world all over, 3 times over. Drink all the lemonade and turn the glasses over. Sailing east, sailing west, sailing o'er the ocean. Better watch out when the boat begins to rock, or you'll lose your girl in the ocean. Vocabulary words to know. When we sing, I've traveled this wide world all over, or I've traveled this wide world all over, it means that we've traveled all through the countries and continents. Over, over, over. How many times does it say we traveled around the world? Do you remember? Over, over, 3 times over. 3 times. Here's another way of looking at the song. It's written out in treble notation on a treble staff. You can see that there are 4 staffs. Voice is the instrument that's indicated, but if you were going to play it on any other instrument, you could use any other instrument that reads a treble staff. There is a flat sign on the B line of the staff, so that would tell you, anybody who's going to play it on an instrument, you need to make all of your B's flat. The time signature at the beginning is 4/4. It looks like a fraction, but it's not. That top number tells you there are 4 beats in a measure. The bottom number tells you for a quarter note gets 1 beat. The song begins on F. I've been to Harlem, I've been to Dover, I've traveled this wide world all over, launch out when the boat begins to rock, or you'll lose your girl in the ocean. Now, for those of you who are really good note readers, you might have found that there's one place in the song that I played it a little bit differently than it's written, and that's because I learned this song differently and I like to sing it a little bit differently than it's actually written. I wonder if you can find that place. So, if we were in the music classroom and we were really having music, I would teach you that song, Turn the Glasses Over. And there are two really fun games that we would play with it, but we're not at school and we're not playing music games with each other these days. So I just want you to know that normally this would be the time where we would learn that music game and we would spend lots of time singing it and playing it and having a lot of fun with it, but we're doing it differently now. So just pretend we did, okay? So here I am, again, on the floor with my cup. Last lesson I sent you, I taught you this pattern. Now, well, I showed it to you. Now, there were some people that were able to watch the pattern and go, I know that. And you already knew it from something, right? There were other people that watched the pattern and said, don't know it yet, but I can work it out. And some of you worked it out. And there were other people that watched it and went, that's cool. That's tricky. All right. So you know which category you're in, right? If you are in the category of that's kind of tricky, I want you to keep watching like right now, because the next thing you're about to see is I'm going to break down the cup pattern and make it a little bit not easier, but I'm going to teach you easier ways to think about it so you can do it. Okay, so if you think it's tricky, or even if you just need a little bit of practice, keep watching. If you're like, Mrs. Potvin, I am a pro, I want you just to kind of fast forward a little bit in the video, maybe like 2 or 3 minutes, okay? Or watch it. You could do that too. Let's break down this cup routine into 2 different sections. Here's the first section. Clap, clap, tap, tap, tap. Clap, pick it up, put it down. That's the first section. So we're going to do that 4 times. Ready? Here we go. Clap, clap, tap, tap, tap. Clap, pick it up, put it down. Let's do that again. Ready? Here we go. Clap, clap, tap, tap, tap. Clap, pick it up, put it down. Again. Clap, clap, tap, tap, tap. Clap, pick it up, put it down. One more time. Clap, clap, tap, tap, tap. Clap, pick it up, put it down. Now, if I sped that up, it would sound like this. Again. Again. That's the first part. Here's the second part. It goes clap. You're going to flip your hand over, and then you're going to pick it up, and then you're going to touch it to your hand, and then tap it on the ground, and then you're going to switch it to your other hand, put your hand down, and then it's going to cross. That's kind of tricky to explain. I'm going to show it again. Clap, thumbs down, pick, hand, touch, switch, hand, and down. Did you notice that when I switched it, I put the bottom of the cup into my hand? Watch this. Clap. So then I take my thumb down and pick it up, and then I kind of tap it. And then when I switch it to this hand, see how the bottom of it goes there? And then my hand goes down. So if I do the second half of it, kind of quicker, it goes like this. Clap, pick, hand, ground, switch, hand, cross. Again, clap, pick, hand, ground, switch, hand, cross. Again, clap, pick, hand, ground, switch, hand, cross. Last time, clap, pick, hand, ground, switch, hand, cross. Okay, so if I take that a little bit faster, it will go like this. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. So if I put it all together, we have clap, clap, tap, click, clap, up, down, hmm, 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 hmm. Clap, clap, tap, clap, clap, pick it up, put it down, clap, pick, hand, down, switch, and cross. Rewind the video, pause it, or play the entire thing again, as much as you need to practice. We've broken down the cup pattern and then kind of put it back together again. Now we're going to do it all together at its regular speed, and by regular speed I mean the tempo that goes with the song that I just taught you at the beginning of this video. Here we go. Right? Let's put up the song. Ready, here we go. I've been to Harlem, I've been to Dover, I've traveled this wide world all over, 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 3 times over. Drink all the lemonade and turn the glasses over. Sailing east, sailing west, sailing over the ocean. Better watch out when the boat begins to rock, or you'll lose your girl in the ocean. Let's do it one more time. Ready, here we go. I've been to Harlem, I've been to Dover, I've traveled this wide world all over, 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 3 times over. Drink all the lemonade and turn the glasses over. Sailing east, sailing west, sailing over the ocean. Better watch out when the boat begins to rock, or you'll lose your girl in the ocean. How'd that go? Do you need to practice it again? If you do, just rewind the video. If you don't, awesome. Yay! Snaps for everybody! So, at this point, you have learned a new song today. You have a cup, and you've practiced the cup pattern, even with the song. For your response, you are going to, with the camera on your device, hold the cup up, smile, take a picture, and send it to me. That's your response. I hope you're well. I'll see you later. Your response. Take a picture of yourself with the cup. Send it to me in Seesaw. I miss seeing your face. Take care.